How to find speculums and bite plates. 1. Research online. Begin by searching for medical supply websites or specialized stores. Keywords like bispeculums or bite plates for sale can yield relevant results. 2. Medical equipment suppliers. Visit suppliers that focus on medical devices, either online or in physical stores. They often have a wide selection of speculums and bite plates for medical professionals. 3. Dental supply stores. For bite plates, dental supply stores are a great option, as these tools are commonly used in dental procedures. 4. Check local pharmacies. Some pharmacies, especially those specializing in medical devices, may stock speculums or bite plates. 5. Consult medical professionals. Doctors, dentists, or clinics might recommend trusted suppliers or stores where these products can be purchased. 6. Compare prices and quality. Ensure the materials are safe and reliable by reviewing product specifications and customer reviews.